the truck forward.
All right.
But thanks a million for being here. Play music that you must bring performance.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thanks for having us.
Well, you're welcome.
This is Detail Mass. Truck driver, you can move up. Truck driver, you can move up. This is Detail Mass. Welcome to Walla. New York City. Eastern Parkway. Brooklyn, New York City. This is Detail Mass. Welcome to Walla.
Thank you very much for being here. Let's have our next drop. Please. Let's bring the truck forward. Our DJ, you need to play for them. They have no music on the truck. House DJ.
She goes and I see outdoors, everybody watching me, all the end blondes. I don't want no problems, why you don't even? If the thing is loaded, I really don't need it. I just want to try it like to the wrong in paradise. I spend no time with my friends, people let me live my life. I want to hold on to you and I'm trying to feel my mind. I just want to have some fun, but it's always like that. She has to be on the road. All we do is on the road. Watch out, she misses on the road. All we do is on the road. Oh, 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 oh. This got me. Oh no, she wait till we on the street. Let's go. What you wasn't proud of, getting the easy. Everybody watching to watch the TV. I just want to play line. Through the room in paradise. I spend no time with my friends. People let me live my life. I want to hold on to you and I'm sure of the number. I just want to have some fun, but it's always like that. She don't feel it on the road. All we do is on the road. Watch out, she misses on the road. All we do is on the road.
celebrate the arrival of our next band. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just say, on behalf of the President and the Executive of the West Indian American Day Carnival Association, I express heartfelt thanks to our judges, once again giving human service. Members of the NYPD, well, I must say that the carnival celebrations here in New York have really taught you a lot, because I have seen you pushing pans, I've seen you pulling the racks for the pans, I've seen you directing the steel orchestras when to come up on stage. You have been taking care of our children who have been lost during the junior parade of bands, so we have made you caregivers. This afternoon we had you controlling the crowd, we had you doing security in the band, helping the masqueraders to leave the stage. So you can safely say you've learned quite a lot being part of this carnival celebration here in New York City. But I want you to know that we express our sincere thanks to you for all that you have done to ensure that we have as safe as possible a celebration. So thank you to members of the NYPD and all other police officers who have assisted in keeping our celebrations safe. We love you, we respect you, we thank you sincerely. Members of the media, both print and electronic, thank you for the extensive coverage that you give to Carnival here in Brooklyn. We sincerely thank you. To our stage crew, keeping things flowing, thank you sincerely. Our sound engineer DJ, providing fantastic music again, thank you sincerely. To all our vendors, thanks for being part of this experience here in Brooklyn. And of course, all our corporate sponsors, and of course, we have them with us all the time. Natier's finest security, thank you once again for being here with us and for always working with us, ensuring that we are safe. Thank you so much. NYPD, we can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. And I noticed some of you all learned how to dance to the soca music, to calypso music. Remember, 3 steps forward, 2 steps backward, rock to the left, rock to the right, and repeat, and you have it. To all our masqueraders, the band leaders, the costume designers, those who construct the costumes, and of course those who wear it. Without you, there would be no carnival celebration. We thank you for your support. We are celebrating 49 years, and we're looking forward to next year, 2017, our 50th anniversary. Ladies and gentlemen, we await the arrival of, I think it's our final band, which will be crossing the stage. And again, thank you sincerely on behalf of the President and Executive of the West Indian American Day Carnival Association. Thank you for being here with us. When you leave here, we wish you
Mikey, we out there. It look like it's coming to a wrap for Labor Day 2016. And I'm just like, you know, it was nice. Pretty good, not too bad. style event. Never mentioned to the madness.
Very safe journey home. And just to remind you, I'm Gemma Jordan, and it has been a privilege being your announcer for the Carnival celebrations here in New York. So we'll await the arrival of the band, and then we wish you all a very, very safe journey home. NYPD's finest. Thank you,
It's
sir.
quite PCAT, now they call it brick. I don't know why this is a good thing. Brick free street people. It sounded like some activist group.
And if it's nice, you do it twice. So we will wait until after the Haitian band, and then for those of you who don't know, that selection is by, they used to be Neil and Massey Trinidad All Stars, now they are Massey Trinidad All Stars, Woman on the Bass. And for all Trinbagonians, we know that when you go to a fete, and it is finished, you always leave dancing to that selection. Woman on the Bass, we call it the anthem of Pan, Woman on the Bass. But we will wait for the band that is coming forward, and then you can go back out to the street and dance to Woman on the Bass.
Go that way. Go that way.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remove safely. Let us continue to love people and use kindness and not the other way around. Let us love one another. Let us be our brother's keeper and let us hold your power for each other. Thank you very much. Regional safety, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm John Jordan Ramsey. Thank you very much. Good night, everyone. Regional safety.
I do it for the channel. Okay, so actually it didn't finish. I'm going to them to the subway and alright then. So we know that's the end. Once you're on the camera. Alright then. Alright, so yeah, so I was saying, yeah, I know I get a wrap up and all kind of thing, but IT, another IT truck. IT rules. Another IT truck, another IT coming. So let's take it in. That is supposed to be the official wrap up, even though we did wrap up, but they let the truck come through. So let's just stay here. It's so dark, the place that there's only people. Hey, the cars are the place more lights up. I can't see it. I tell you, they come and do this. Can't believe they're going on tonight. So guess what? Election year. That's all I can say. Election year. I'm at the Brooklyn Museum, just for the record, just for historical records. I'm at the Brooklyn Museum, right? Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Look. ...2016. Elections.
down. Smack up in. Try to do down.
Sorry.
Good night, Savior. Good night, Savior. Everybody put your flags in the air. Put your flags in the air and then wave them from side to side. From side to side. From side to side. Say go. Say go after about 2 things.
Let them know who runs the parkway.
We run the parkway. We run the parkway. Whether you're a senator, you're president, you gotta respect. T-Vice runs the parkway.
That's it.
Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. TJ Stats up in here, the king of New York, the flow. You got the charisma on the flow. Yeah. My brothers on the flow. First of all, I want to thank the whole NYPD, the New York Police Department that has extended the hours till 8:25, that has led us to perform on the Berkway so late tonight. I want you guys to put your hands in the air, please, and give a big round of applause to the NYPD. Thank you so much, guys. Alifu and the whole crew. Okay? It's not over yet. Is it over? If you guys are not tired, please put your hands in the air like this. Fred, oh my God, Fred, Trachet. DJ Fanfa, toute l'équipe là, monsieur, merci. Tout le monde qui met des odeurs, pas de problème, sans si cabrit là, levez deux mains dans la rue, Well, guys, this is the end. Every good thing has to come to an end. And this is the end of this wonderful journey. First of all, we have to thank, again, the NYPD. We have to thank Glasses, Bernard Enterprise. We have to thank Showbiz, Camtrasphere, Royalty Cameroon. When you go to Haiti, you guys have to go to this amazing resort. Royalty Cameroon. Camtrasphere, Maison Transfert New York. Et Madame Gougous, tout produit Madame Gougous là, Patrick Fab. Madame Gougous, the best in town, Solution, management. Big Boogie, Pachuco, Showbiz, all the time. Avec tout le monde qui te met les aujourd'hui à la qui va ça, malgré ce problème d'elle au commencement, mais nous pouvons pas nous en mettre en route, and we did rock the park once again. Thank you so much, New York City. Si nous d'accord, levez-les pour nous. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We have to go back.
I thought there was no more floats.
Let's keep the driving. Let's keep the driving to the control so that we can go back to the...
I see police cars, dickhead. Yo, go ahead, bro.
Comme dit nous-mêmes, nous pas besoin d'enfants. Nous pas besoin de monde qui nous a dit pour nous parce que nous avons géré ça pour votre moins. Pas besoin d'accord. Pas besoin de sous-sous.
Nigga, that's not a float.
Achète Fifi.
Where you see a float at? Nigga, floats are that big. You know, he's going down with this
Ah, c'est l'argent pas acheté moi-même. L'argent pas acheté intégrité. Ça veut dire ça, tout le monde comprend que en tout cas, mes amis, c'était polémique, c'était carnaval, mais on y a là, de tout ça ici, de tout retourner la caille ensemble, de tout est représenté aujourd'hui. C'est Haïti qui est représenté, quelque chose qui est sorti, c'est Haïti qui est représenté, et Haïti qui est représenté. Moi, vous ne venez pas ici, et puis, si nous fiers de ce que vous avez ici, même ça. On m'a régi, c'est notre son. all the fans, tout fanatique qui ont commencé depuis le commencement avec nous. Depuis le début, il y a 4 ans ensemble avec nous, qui finit par créer ensemble avec nous. Thank you guys, I love you so much. Tout musicien, tout fanatique, tout le monde qui est bien, merci un peu. Nous sommes tous en train de jouer une fois.
Hi, I'm Dejanay. I played with One Destiny, and I had a lot of fun. Labor Day 2016.
So who did you play with?
Oh, One Destiny, Mass.
Is this your first time?
No, second year.
Yeah, second year, okay. Have you ever played at the Kiddies Carnival?
No.
No, okay. So what island you representing?
Costa Rica. It's not an island.
Oh, Costa Rica. Well, yeah. And any other relatives played before? Who encouraged you to play?
Myself.
Huh?
Myself. I was interested, very interested.
Good. Will you be back?
Yes, of course. Next year, One Destiny.
Okay, thank you. All right, thanks.
All right.